Hey, what's up guys, how you doing? So today I'm going to make this sawdust painting. But first, let's start it off by cleaning this mess. Okay guys, for this video I'm going to need a spoon and a table knife, wood glue, markers, the sawdust of course, and the paint. Oh, but first let me taste the paint. Holy crap, this paint is delicious and good to be used. Hey, so now let's blend it. Now of course we start by sketching it. Oh yeah, now I already know what I want to draw, so let's start drawing the sexy lines, amigos. And before you use the marker, do not forget to shake it. Oh, the sexy lines are done, amigo, but now I'm tired as crap, so I'm going to sleep. Oh yeah, it's already another day and I will continue with my craft. Oh yeah, now guys, I'm going to apply this disgusting thing here in this part. But wait, let me test this first. Holy crap, it tastes good. Okay guys, but before applying it, we need to mix it a lot. Holy moly, 7 hours later and I ran out of sawdust, so let me get some more. Holy moly, there's so much fresh sawdust here. Okay, just got some sawdust, so let's get back home. Okay you guys, it's time to continue painting, but oh, this sawdust is really heavy guys. And guys, do not forget to dry your sawdust before you use it. Oh, DJ must drop with a sexy song to get sexy result, guys. Oh guys, 2 hours have already passed and I need some more energy, so I'll drink some more paint to paint faster, you know? You get me? Paint faster. Holy crap, I'm too tired. Okay guys, that was the video for today. Enjoy the review and see you in the next videos.